Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis made a request in the comments for Sherwin-Williams. Thank you, Luis, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $64 billion, Sherwin-Williams is a S&P 500 company within the specialty chemicals industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 11%. Earnings growth, 11.8%. Earnings estimates, 14.65%. Return on capital, 15.92%. Debt to free cash flow, 6.14 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 0.97%. Payout ratio, 27.03%. Growth rate, 14.9%. Growth years, 43 years. That gives Sherwin-Williams 8 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Sherwin-Williams is fairly valued. What's your thoughts on Sherwin-Williams in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.